Guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And I guess this is my first time doing an intro, being to Burundi. So yeah, first of all guys, I want to show you guys the place that we are staying in. If you're looking for a place to stay in Burundi, maybe this might be a plug because this house is just amazing. So just check it out and yes, enjoy the video. Next guys, I'm going for lunch with a friend, so I was like, let me just go with you, let me take you guys, and so that we can enjoy the place together and I get a chance to show you guys like a few places here. Yes, so let's go guys. So at first we went at the beach. I really wanted to eat mkeke, but they didn't have it, so we had to change the location and came at Maki, where I decided to have mkeke. Yes, and plantain, and my friend decided to have also mkeke but with ugali. Yes guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Before going home, I decided to do a quick stop by at my friend's shop. She has a very amazing and nice shop. So if you visit Burundi and you're looking for a place to buy quality stuff, quality outfits, this is the plug for you guys. This is the plug for you. And also follow her on Instagram. She really does have amazing outfits, amazing glasses, just cute stuff. So when you visit Burundi, remember, this is your plug. So see you guys in my next Burundian vlog. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for staying this long with me. Bye.